Hello, welcome, Satnam. I am Mataji, and this is the Kundalini Sanctuary, where we meditate to elevate. Come on in, I'm going to give you a little tour. When you enter into this very specifically laid out space, it's very intentional for a flow of allowing you to come in, let go right away. There's this big sense of exhale. We just leave all of our outside trappings here in these cubbies, metaphorically, but realistically, it's your shoes, your cell phones, anything that would be of distraction. We're just going to put them aside for the next hour and a half, and so that you can have a relaxed, very deep, very intentional experience of healing, of elevating, and maybe a whole sense of, aha, oh, that's what I need to do. So come on inside. I've been very, very interested in studying and really immersing myself for well over 25 years with sound. How does sound affect me? How does sound affect my environment? How does sound affect my clients? And in doing so, I've been very, very blessed in connecting with powerful master teachers that have crossed my path and I have crossed their path, and who have taught me very old, ancient teachings that are very mystical and used to be kept very secret, but now are being publicly taught. One of them is utilizing the 7 sacred metal bowls in a sound healing session. And this is just a few of this complete chakra collection that I have from a small village in Nepal that have been making these bowls for hundreds, if not thousands of years. Very intentionally, very beautifully ritualized. They never know what sound the bowl is going to create. They gather together, the artisans in the village, and they start to create the bowl, and the bowl begins to be born. This is how they've described it to me. All right, we're going to continue. I'd like to share with you a few more things about this very sacred space. I have crystals all in the floor. When we've decided to create this opening of this studio space that, yes, is here in my home, but it's a private space that's welcoming and very open to all of you. We had a lot of space in the floor that literally opened up, and so I was able to put a lot of quartz crystals in the floor because I utilize a lot of crystal energy as well. And I have a beautiful collection that, again, I have been working on, that have been coming to me, manifesting for me for over 20 years also. Beautiful amethyst, citrine, all these crystals in the floor. There's crystals also up hanging. There's a grid in the wall. So yeah, it's very, very intentionally laid out for you to feel it. The minute, literally, clients tell me the minute that they drive up, they feel the energy from this beautiful sanctuary, this haven that's here for you. And I want to share with you now that there's a sense of a misconception about the teachings of yoga and why people maybe are hesitant to pay for a yoga class. What I'd like to share with you about that is, yes, the teachings of yoga themselves are free and available for anyone. You can go on the internet and learn about yoga. You can go to your gym now and take a yoga class. And those teachers are trained professionally as well to teach in a gym setting. However, what I am offering you is a wealth of information that I have been cultivating now for over 25 years. And this knowledge, this wisdom that is coming in, and it's always coming in, and it's always evolving in a way that's prevalent and that's relevant to the times. And we're going through very big changes right now on planet Earth in every aspect of how we exist as human beings. And so all of these teachings are coming in to me as a conduit, I am a conduit, a channel. And when I create this channel to open up in me, and then I'm able to deliver it in a very clear, succinct way that you can understand it and grasp it and then practice it yourself, because I'm always encouraging you to create your own practice. So this is an invaluable tool that I am offering for you, and my time is valuable, your time is valuable, so there's an exchange. The law of the universe states that there is nothing that is free. everything must have an exchange value. It's a receiving, it's a giving. It's also what we know as the law of karma, cause and effect. So what I'm offering you here is to come into this very beautiful sacred space that's safe. It's a container of love. It's a container of energy. You will have an experience just by walking in here. You will have an experience of being fully welcomed. And all genders are welcome, all identities are welcome. Everyone is welcome here, no matter what your level of experience is. Maybe you're just intrigued, you've heard about Kundalini energy and you'd like to come and check it out. I do hope that you do that, because what we offer here is very unique to the Las Vegas area. And again, this is a private space, but it's also being publicly offered to you. So it's a unique opportunity for you to experience an authentic dojo, experience an authentic sacred space, a temple, a sanctuary, a haven. And I'll be your guide, and I'll be the space holder of that for you to come in and have your own experience. And when you leave, you're going to be more profoundly you, more authentically you. And that's our goal. Satnam.